So at the top of the step, right in front of me, is a bathroom there. Which needs a little work. And off to the right are 2 bedrooms. Both have ceiling fans in them. There's 1 bedroom here. And it's about, I don't know, 16 by 20. It's got new windows in the property. And then I'll back up, coming back off the steps over to the right is the 2nd bedroom here, hardwood floors again. Nice size closet, very nice large bedroom. This one must be at least 25 by 20. See how big it is? I'm gonna go into the sun. I'll turn around this way. It's a closet there. Nice deep closet. So I'm gonna go back out in the hallway to the left of the bathroom.